Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to turn something awesome, A-U-S-O-M, into something A-W-E-S-O-M-E. Awesome. If you know what this is, Awesome's electric scooter company, and they were nice enough to send me an electric scooter, an L1, that I can try out and see how I like it. I haven't been on a scooter in 20 years, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's open this. I got this partly open up and see. It's packed very well. Lots of styrofoam and packaging. Let's see. You've got your instructions and different things. Yep. Well, let me work on getting this out of here, and we'll start getting it assembled and get going with it. I think it's pretty easy to assemble once you get it going. But yeah, we're going to take this out and we're going to give you a review and see how it does. But this is going to be awesome. This is going to be awesome. Woo! Yep. There we go. We got it together. It wasn't too bad once I got an idea what I was doing. Pretty easy. It's pretty much all assembled except for the handlebars. The neck bar will fold down, and you put the handlebars on, and just use your Allen set screws, wrenches, and there's like 4 here. There's 2 on the headlight, and there's 2 on the display, and that's it. Everything else is ready to go. Pretty easy to put on there once I got going with it. But just watch read the instructions, because it is easy to put the handlebars on backwards. Yep, I did that. So they go either way. But it's got brakes. It's got a horn. It's got lights. It's got turn signals. It's got brake lights. It's got all the stuff a car pretty much has. It's got cruise control. It's got 3 different modes coming up on the indicator, so you can really get going with this. And this thing weighs about 67 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. So if you got trouble carrying heavy things, you may want to look at something else. But 67 pounds, once you fold it down, it picks up and carries pretty easy, because it'll lock in place, and you can use this part as your handle and pick it up. It'll carry a range of people up to 280 pounds, and height-wise from 4'11" to 6'7". So it's pretty versatile, so it covers a lot of spaces. And then, it was great for, like I said, take people out, throw a backpack on, you go around places, and it's easy to park and easy to take care of. But yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. It's got 10-inch puncture-proof tires, off-road tires on the front and back. It's got disc brakes on the front and back. It's got an 800-watt motor on the back, which is bigger than what the motor in my e-bike is. And it's got a computer-controlled digital dash. You put in a passcode. So it's passcode, no key related. And then it shows your display right here. It's got a horn. Got turn signals. You see them flashing on the indicator. Then they flash down here. And then on the other side, flash on the other side. It's got a brake light back there. And it's got a headlight. Headlight's right up here. There you go. And I don't think the headlight's really a lot for driving at night, but it's more for like people who can see you when you're driving around. So, but yeah, it's got pretty cool stuff on it. It's got 3 modes on it. There's an eco mode, sport mode, and a race mode. I think we're going to try to go eco mode before we do anything else. But it's got an odometer on it. It's got a battery indicator. It's got your miles per hour and etc. And it's got this controls like when your light's on. Shows your lights on there. And you've already seen the indicators lights flashing. So it's a pretty cool little setup. And yeah, it's going to be handy. Like I said, adjustable handlebars and pretty nice setup. So let's get this thing ready to go, and we'll get it on the road and see what it does. I've already been standing on it, as you can tell. But how to operate this is actually the throttle will not work without someone being on it. So here's a throttle. It won't do anything. How this operates is you have to have a body on here, and you have to stand here and then push it, and once you push it, then it'll take off and go. So that's kind of nice, because that way people won't come up and hit your throttle, or you're standing on it, all of a sudden you get thrown off. So you have to actually be physically standing on the board with your body, and then you can hit the throttle and go with it. Yeah, this little scooter would be great for like in town, college kids, high school kids. You want to get back and forth and easy to get around. You know, no parking, just take your bike lock and lock it up somewhere. But it'd be really great on pavement. So I think anywhere it's good. I mean, out here on the ground is good too. But something that's more commuter friendly. You know, put a backpack on and go to the grocery store and things, which I'll probably be doing out here. Throw a backpack on and go down to the store and get a few things without the dog. So that's gonna be fun. So let's get this thing ripping to see what it'll do here. I'll do a little bit of adjustment, but we'll get it figured out. The ride's pretty good. Turn around here. Oh. Be careful, turn around. It's got some good suspension on it. When you get on it, feel like your tires are flat, but it's just the suspension moving up and down. So we'll be ready to go. Like I said, to get on it and go, just put a foot on it, give it a push, and off you go. Put your foot on it, just like that. It's got really good braking on it, but that is for sure. That's going to be cool. This is going to be awesome. It really is going to be awesome to drive, to ride around. And what I'll be doing is using that here in the desert, just, you know, running around. The dog to stay behind. And we're really going to use it is when I get to Utah. I'll be able to use this in my campground because my campground's all paved. And I'll be able to do my little rounds on the pavement. This does really good. This is made for pavement and light duty off-road. It's not heavy duty off-road, but light duty like this will just fine with the 10-inch tires, puncture-proof tires. And the brakes, like I said, disc brakes in the front and back, stop really good. It's got some good suspension on it. So yeah, I'm ready to get this thing on the road and try it out. It does come with a charger. The charger plugs in right here. And then it gets ready to go. Like I said, it'll go 44 miles on the average on a charge, which is pretty good. And up to 28 miles an hour. That's as fast as my e-bike, which is, you got to be a little more skilled to go at 28 miles an hour in one of these, especially on a dirt road, but you don't give somebody a chance for a while, and I think they'll fit right in and go with it. But yeah, I used to ride a scooter. I rode a scooter, oh goodness gracious, 20 years ago, I think I bought one for my son. And this one put that one to shame, because that was just a little bitty cheapy one. And you know, you ride around the block twice and the battery would be dead. Heck, this one here, you can probably go all week and never have to charge it. So Let me try this again. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Like I said, just go with it, and you got to watch. It does cut off your power after a few seconds, so and all right, there we go. We have got the code back in. I like that code part because it eliminates people from jumping on and going with it. So here we go. Whoa, boy, come to a screeching halt. Pretty cool. It does have 3 speeds on it too, so you can hit this plus minus and go faster or slower. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to enjoy that. And that's something I can do without dragging the dog along, as I mentioned. But yeah, thanks to my friends. Awesome. This is awesome. It really is to drive around on. And go down in the description below, you'll find a discount code and a link to go on to, so you can, if you want to look at it and purchase one, and you can get $50 off on a discount code. So once again, thanks Ausom for letting me try this out. I've got to do some tweaking on it, raise the handlebars and do a little adjustment, but that's just your own personal feel and needs. And we're going to take care of that, and we're going to cruise around the desert, see how far we can get. So thanks again everybody for watching, and thanks again Ausom for this awesome scooter.